So I'm just going to show you another trick in Krita using the mirror options. So this is an image I made using the mirror option. So we're going to create a new canvas. And so this is the horizontal and vertical options at the top, X and Y. So with these, if you just click the button, it automatically goes into the center, but you can move it around and create your image. And there's also options to hide, lock, and move to the center, and it will automatically just lock to the center there. So if you don't want to use the mirror, you can just click off, click on. The same with the other option, or you can use them both. And I'll show you how that works. So when you're drawing, it will just mirror whatever you're drawing to the other side. You can also use it with shapes, and you can use it with both mirrors, so it will mirror on all four planes. And you can also move either mirror as well. So this is how I did these images. So I had the line going through the center, and with this one sort of a crisscross. So you can have a play, it's quite good fun, and see how you get on.